What's going on, guys? Back with another one. Today's game plan is going to be trying to get a lot done. I'll tell you what we're doing. So today we're going to be working on getting all the pins for the nitrous and the injector buns welded up, making the top plenum front and back, getting that pretty much ready to go. Then glue the sump on, get that bolted down so that way that's done, and then maybe time today. Not too sure, but I definitely need to get that on that because I need to pull the subframe out. So yeah, let's get in there and get it done. Done. Holy shit. This little tool is a damn lifesaver. Little king chrome. And that little, what is this one? T30. Helps you get the ones right up the back here. Whew. Okay, well, that's done, finally. So there we have it. Sump. In. But is it just me, or when, I feel like this must be everyone, you put a part in and you think, did I torque the things that were inside? Did I do them up properly? You know, now I'm like, did I bolt the oil pump up strong enough? I'll find out. I'm pretty sure I did. 99, 98 now. But yeah, we'll be right. Okay, so I've had to step away to explain something because the welder's a bit loud. So, I've lowered the car. I've got the engine mount pretty much ready to bolt up, so I'm going to do that now. But I was checking the flange that we catted up for it. It is a little bit tight, so I will have to clearance these holes. But I was checking, like, I think it's this one right here. Really hard to get to, so I don't know how the new exhaust I'm going to make is, you know, clearance wise. I don't know how easy that nut's going to be, but I'm going to try and make it as easy as possible when I get to it though. But yeah, so I'm going to get the engine mount done, bolt it in, take the harness off, or the engine lift off, and then drill this out. And yeah, and all I got to do is time it, and that engine is sealed. Then we get on to the fun stuff like fabrication. So yeah, let's go and do it. Okay, so engine mount went on pretty well. First engine mount I ever done. Pretty happy with myself. But yeah, went on easy. I can finally took the brace off. And I'll show you what I mean by that exhaust before I go and drill it. So as you can see, the holes are off just by a little bit. So they're the right size. They're just a little bit off. Yeah, let's go and drill it. Well, I don't know how you steel guys do it because that took me freaking forever to drill. That is probably the thickest steel I've ever had to drill. I even had to bust out the vise for that one because it took me forever. It kept just biting and carrying on. But it is on there now. It's got a little bit of wiggle room. I did have to take this stud out to actually take the exhaust out because it was hitting. So I got to put that stud back in. But yeah, so now I can pretty much get ready to lay up the exhaust. It shouldn't be that hard. I've done worse than that. But yeah, so that's all we're going to be able to get done today. Did get a little bit distracted by stuff and things, but nitrous pins are welded in. The top has been made. All we got to do now is cut the back, make it look pretty, and we're actually going to, because it's nitrous, we're going to plate the inside of this, and once that's done, we can weld it on and send it out of here. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you all in the next one.